Are you looking for the best gate handles in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gate handles that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Webby Gate Handle. The handle measures 11 inches long, 0.75 inches wide and 0.4 inches thick. Considering the size, we will be safe to conclude that the grip will suit large entries such as your fence gate. The cast iron construction will put up with the tough beyond-the-door conditions for decades. The piece weighs 0.95 pounds, approximately 429.3 grams. With this weight, it is heavy enough for daily use with the heavy gates but also lightweight to allow for portability and make it simple to install on your own. The sturdy construction maximizes the suitability of the grip so that it comes in handy for most doors of your home. I mean, apart from the gate, this handle will also complement other doors like for garage, barns, exterior doors, and many other heavy doors. Our hand-picked model arrives in a pack of 1, although it is also available in a cost-efficient pack of 2 when need be. The lacquered finish resists rust to help sustain the attractive look of the grip year after year. Nevertheless, in case the finish does not match that of your door, you can spray paint it easily to match your door for that integrated look you are looking for. At number 4. Boerboel 7301432 Black Gate Handle. This accessory is yet another dependable choice you may count on to complete the look of your gate. It boasts an elegant design that enhances the aesthetics of your gate. The piece works on entries made of wood and vinyl. For this reason, in case you have a metal gate, it's unfortunate that you may have to rely on other options on our list. The kit constitutes the handle and 4 1-inch Phillips screws for straightforward mounting. The handle utilizes a long-lasting nylon construction. The nylon material can stand up to tough weather and will not give in to rust like those of metal. Also, this material is generally easy to maintain for trouble-free service life. And those that have an electric fence can count it as a great addition to their gate since the material is a non-conductor of electricity. The black finish guarantees that the handle will go perfectly with most door colors. At number 3. My Fancy Farmhouse Solid Cast Iron Gate Handles. This handle is for not only gates but also wooden doors, garage doors, barn doors, French doors, and other types of entries in your home. The top-grade handle utilizes cast iron construction. Therefore, it should hold up well for many years. The beautiful black finish resists rust and other outdoor conditions when simultaneously stepping up the overall beauty of your entry. Their unique design and construction deliver that rustic look you are anticipating getting at your gate or barn door. The package contains the grasp and mounting screws to make installation quick for you. In fact, since the handle is pre-drilled right from the company, expect to get the installation done in no time without the help of an extra hand. The piece has a height of 9 inches with a width of 2.5 inches, pretty large enough to suit little and large fingers alike. Nonetheless, it can also come with a height of 6.25 inches in case the 9 inches seem to be too big for your needs. At number 2. SMARTSTANDARD Heavy-Duty Barn Door Pull Handle. This handle is another option that is designed with versatility in mind. The high-quality piece works excellently with interior and exterior entries, whether gates, barn doors, cabinets, and any other door where you have ever thought of adding a handle, regardless of whether it is of wood, glass, or metal. The package constitutes the handle and all the accessories you need to turn the installation process into a piece of cake. Therefore, just in case you haven't installed a gate handle before, this should be an ideal choice for you. The steel construction holds the promise of extended durability, whereas the black finish dovetails perfectly with most doors. The unit measures 10 inches to provide enough space for a comfortable grasp. However, it can also come in a larger size of 12 inches just in case you think the 10-inch option is slightly small for your need. At number 1. Dr. Quality Decor Iron Pull Handle for Doors. In case you are looking for a gate handle that has an excellent rustic patina, then you won't get a better choice than this. The rustic look not only looks great on your gate but also on barn doors, garage doors, and other outdoor entries in your home. It comes in a set of two, one for your gate and another piece for any other door where you might want to install the additional piece. The pieces are durably constructed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Therefore, if you want something that will hold up well at your gate for decades to come, the Dr. Quality Decor iron pull handle should hardly disappoint. Each handle is 9 inches high, 2 inches wide, and 2 inches tall to offer an excellent and comfortable grip when pulling or pushing the door. The pieces arrive with pre-drilled mounting holes so you won't face the hassle of making some on the handle. The set even includes the mounting screws so that you won't need to incur additional costs on buying them separately. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.